Okay, welcome to another new day. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you the tools that I'm using to repair my bike. So that's all I have. So let's start from right side. Upper right, I have two T wrench. One is this is number 10 T wrench, and this is number 8 T wrench. This is very good quality, and they are with me like since past 4 or 5 years. And this tool, this is the adjustable wrench. This is also very useful tool for repairing bike. Okay, this is also very good quality. There are some rust over there, but it's fine. Okay, the next tool is L wrench. This is L wrench number 7. This is a very heavy and good one. Usually I use this wrench when I need to drain the engine oil. So yeah, this is also very good. This is very shiny and it's heavy as well. All right, so the next tool is a set of combination wrench. This is the combination of open and ring wrench, so that is why it's called combination wrench. I have number 24, number 22, number 21, number 19, number 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So almost the set is full, and each and every one is very important for fixing the bike, opening the nuts and bolts, etc. So these are very important as well. All right, another one, I have a single piece of open end wrench, number 12. You can see that number 12 and number 13. This is only single piece I have. I purchased it separately. Okay, all right, so this is also very important tool, the syringe. Yes, I'm using this injection syringe to lubricate few cables like clutch cables, brake cables, etc. There are a few more tasks I will show you later. So there are the sets of drivers, screwdrivers. This is flat screwdriver. This is called Phillips screwdriver, and this is the tester, electricity tester. All right, so there are some pliers as well. This is the combination pliers. This is the nose pliers. I need to purchase few more pliers like cutting pliers, and there are a few more pliers as well. All right, so these are the wire brush. Usually I use this wire brush to clean up the rust area, like as this is the rust area. I clean this using these brushes. And I have another use of this. I clean spark plug with this particular brush. Okay, so this is another kind of tool, and this is the combination of flat screwdriver and the Phillips. It's portable. It's also very useful. All right, you can see this. I don't know what it's called, but I use this while inputting the engine oil into the motorcycle engine. And last but not the least, this is the spark plug wrench. Using this wrench, I open spark plug from the engine head and install it again. So that is almost all the tools I have, and I'm using these tools since last couple of years, and I am trying to purchase few more tools to start. And within couple of days I'm purchasing few more tools, so that it will be easier for me to fix my bike at home. So these are all the tools. Yes, so these are all the tools that I'm using to fix my motorbike on my home. All right, so that's it for the now. Thank you. Have a nice one. Bye.